Good day, ma'am. I'm Lawrence B. Boni, and I'm presenting to you about Flipped Classroom virtual and remote laboratories. Flipped Classroom enhance learning by allowing students to engage with context at their own pace before applying knowledge in partial context. Virtual and remote laboratories facilitate this by providing online environments for hands-on experience, enhancing educational outcomes. Sabi dito, ang Flipped Classroom ay nakatutulong sa pagkatuto dahil hinahayaan nito ang mga estudyanteng na pag-aralan muna ang lesson sa sarili nilang oras o bilis bago ito gamitin sa mga practical na gawain. Tinutulungan ito ng virtual at remote laboratories dahil nagbibigay ito ng online na paraan para makaranas ng hands-on activities, kaya mas gumaganda ang resulta ng pag-aaral. Introduction to Flipped Classrooms. Concept Overview. The Flipped Classroom model reverses traditional learning by delivering instructional content outside the classroom, typically through video lectures, while in-class time is devoted to engaging activities that reinforcement learning. Benefits. This approach increases student engagement, accommodates diverse learning styles, and allows for personalized learning experiences that enhance understanding and retention. Technology integration. Effective implementation relies on technological tools such as learning management system and video conferencing platforms to facilitate access to educational materials and resources. Sabi dito, ang concept overview ay ang Flipped Classroom model ay kabaliktaran ng tradisyonal na paraan ng pag-aaral. Sa halip sa classroom nito, ituturo ang lesson, ibinibigay muna ang mga instructional content sa labas ng klase, kadalasan sa pamamagitan ng video lectures. Pagdating sa classroom, ginagamitan naman ang oras para sa mga activities na tumutulong magpalalim ng pag-unawa sa lesson. Benefits. Ang ganitong approach ay nagpapataas ng interes at partisipasyon ng mga estudyante na angkop sa iba't ibang learning styles at nagbibigay daan sa personalized na pagkatuto na mas nagpalinaw at nagpapatatag ng kaalaman. Technology integration. Ang maayos na paggamit ng Flipped Classroom ay nakadepende sa teknolohiya tulad ng learning management system at video conferencing platforms para mas madaling ma-access ng mga estudyante ang mga educational materials at resources. Overview of virtual laboratories. 1. Definition and purpose. Virtual laboratories simulate real-world lab process for safe experiments. 2. Accessibility and flexibility. They eliminate geographical barriers, enabling more participation and education. 3. Engagement and interaction. Interactive elements like simulation enhance learning and motivation. Definition and purpose. Ang virtual laboratories ay ang mga simulation ng totoong lab process na ginagawa online, kaya pwedeng magsagawa ng ligtas na eksperimento kahit wala sa physical na laboratory. Accessibility and flexibility. Dahil online ang virtual laboratories, natanggal ang mga geographical barriers. Ibig sabihin, kahit saan ka naroon, pwede kang makasali. Mas marami tuloy ang nabibigyan ng mga pagkakataong makapag-aral. Engagement and interaction. Ang mga interactive na bahagi tulad ng simulation ay tumutulong para mas maging engaging ang pagkatuto na nagpapataas ng interes at motibasyon ng mga estudyante. Overview of remote laboratories. Definition and functionality. Remote laboratories provide access to real laboratory equipment over the internet and enabling students to conduct experiments remotely. Real-world experience. Exposure to real equipment and data collection improves practical skills and career readiness in science and technology fields. Collaborative learning. Remote laboratories allow group collaboration, fostering teamwork and communication skills vital for professional environments. Definition and functionality. Ang remote laboratories ay nagbibigay ng access sa totoong laboratory equipment gamit ang internet, kaya pwedeng magsagawa ng eksperimento ang mga estudyante kahit nasa malayong lugar. Real world experience. Ang paggamit ng totoong equipment at pagkolekta ng data ay nakatutulong para magpahusay ng practical skills at maging handa sa karera, lalo na sa science at technology fields. Collaborative learning. Pinapaintulutan ng remote laboratories ang pagtutulungan ng grupo na magpalakas ng teamwork at communication skills na malaga sa professional na trabaho. Implementation strategies. Blended learning environments. Incorporating both flipped classroom techniques and virtual remote labs can create a seamless learning experience that balances theoretical knowledge with practical application. Curriculum design. Educators should design curricula that explicitly connect the content delivered in the flipped classroom with the activities conducted in virtual and remote laboratories, ensuring coherence in learning objectives. Assessment and feedback. Regular formative assessment and feedback should be integrated to gauge student understanding and progress, adapting instruction as necessary to meet learner needs. Blended learning environments. Ang pagsasama ng flipped classroom techniques at virtual remote labs ay nakakagawa ng tuloy-tuloy na karanasan sa pag-aaral na nagbabalanse ng teorya at practical na aplikasyon. Curriculum design. Dapat mag-disenyo ang mga guro ng curriculum na malinaw na nag-uugnay sa mga lesson na tinuturo sa flipped classroom at sa mga gawain sa virtual at remote laboratories para maging consistent at malinaw ang mga layunin ng pagkatuto. Assessment and feedback. Dapat isama ang regular na formative assessment at feedback para masukat ang pag-unaba at progreso ng mga estudyante at para may ayos ang pagtuturo ayon sa pangangailangan ng mga mag-aaral. Challenge and solution in education. Technological barriers. Provided offline resources and physical lab option. Instructor training investment in comprehensive training programs for education. And student resistant, clearly communicate benefits and provide support for self-directed learning. Technological barriers. Magbibigay ng offline resources at mga physical na laboratory option para sa mga estudyanteng may kahirapan sa paggamit ng teknolohiya. Instructor learning. Maglaan ng sapat na training programs para sa mga guro upang maging handa at epektibo sa pagtuturo. Student resistance. Paliwanag ng malinaw ang mga benepisyo at magbigay ng suporta para sa mga estudyanteng nahihirapan mag-aral ng mag-isa. Future trends in education technology. Artificial intelligence integration, AR personalized learning in flipped classrooms and virtual labs, augmented and virtual reality, AR and VR create immersive learning experiences and simulate real-world scenarios. Global collaboration, increase connectivity and enables cross-border student collaboration. Artificial intelligence integration. Pinipersonalize ng artificial intelligence AI ang pagkatuto sa flipped classroom at virtual labs para mas umangkop sa pangangailangan ng bawat estudyante. Augmented and virtual reality. Ang augmented reality at virtual reality ay lumilika ng mas malalim at nakatutuang karanasan sa pag-aaral at nag-simulate ng mga totoong sitwasyon sa mundo. Global collaboration. Dahil sa mas mataas ang connectivity, nagiging posible ang mga pagtutulungan ng mga estudyante mula sa iba't ibang bansa. And this is the conclusion enhance learning outcomes. Flipped classroom and combined with virtual and remote laboratories create an engaging, interactive, and effective learning ecosystem that prepares students for future challenge. To contribute evolution as technology advance, the integration of innovative tools and pedagogical methods will further transform education, making learning more accessible and impactful for all students. 3. Commitment to innovation. Institutions must remain commit to exploring and adapting new educational technologies and methodologies to foster enriching learning environment for future generations.